Ayan, and we are live. Hello everyone, magandang umaga, magandang hapon at magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. This is Verna and welcome po sa isa na namang episode ng Pinoypreneurs Without Borders. This space is for Filipinos around the world who are building something meaningful, no matter where we are or what stage we are in. As working parents and dreamers, we share a common goal, creating opportunities for our families while staying grounded in our values. Today is also a reminder to appreciate how far we've come and every step matters, right? So wherever you are tuning in from, welcome po dito sa aming community. Let's learn, let's connect, and grow together. So bago po tayo mag-start sa ating discussion tonight, we'll introduce ourselves first. And let's start with you, Sis Jan.
Hello, hello, hello! Hello mga beautiful Kapinoypreneurs! Magandang araw sa lahat ng mga nanonood sa atin ngayon, lalo na sa mga kababayan natin abroad and sa Pilipinas, of course. Ako si Jan, nurse dito sa New Zealand for almost 20 years and mom of 2 adult boys and wife to an Ilocano and a proud digital business owner. Isang proud ko Pinoypreneur din ako na nandito kami sa community na tumutulong sa mga Pilipino abroad na gusto din magkaroon ng extra income at financial growth. And to you, Sis Anne.
Yes, mas stripe na gabi po sa inyong lahat. Ayan. So, I'm Annalyn. I am based here in Victoria, Australia. And I work part-time in a hospital. And also, I help my husband to run our small bee farm and also a proud digital business owner. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Sis Shari?
Okay, thank you, sis. Okay, hello everyone. And si Chari naman po ito, isang may bahay at ina na OFW dito sa Spain. Full-time po ako nag-work in managing luxury property na for sale and for rent. Okay, and also on the side, I am a digital business owner and samahan niyo po kami today with my Kapinoypreneur business partner sa aming usapan about pwede ba tayo talagang mag-business kahit full-time employed. Ayan, okay. Take it away.
Hello,
Grace.
hello. Magandang gabi from Papua New Guinea. Ako po si Jel. I am a mom of 2. I am a wife to an OFW. I have over a decade of experience in corporate HR and executive recruitment and also a proud digital business owner. Sis Rose.
Alright, salamat. Mayong buntag sa tanan, mayong gabi, mayong udto. Ako di ay si Rona. I am originally from Siquijor, Philippines. Now living here in Maine, USA. I am a mom, a wife, and also a healthcare worker and a proud digital business owner. Over to you, Sis Grace.
Hello everybody. Hello everyone. Saan sulok man kayo ng mundo nanonood sa aming Go Live ngayon. Ako po si Grace, isang ina at naninirahan dito sa Canberra, Australia for over 15 years. Ako po ay isang full-time dental nurse at part-time cleaner. And also, I am a proud digital business owner. Welcome po sa aming live segments tonight. Episode 11, pwede ba talaga ang business kahit full-time ka? Back to you, Sis Verna.
Yeah, thank you, Sis Grace. Ako naman po ulit si Verna from Laguna, Philippines, and my family is now based here in Washington, USA. I'm a wife and a mom of 2, and I'm also a working mom and also a digital business owner. All right, so ang ating pong topic for today's episode, gaya po ng nabanggit nila kanina, pwede ba talagang mag-business kahit full-time employed ka? Or kailangan mo bang i-give up yung trabaho mo para lang kapagsimula? So if you've ever asked yourself that question, especially bilang isang Filipino abroad, hindi ka nag-iisa. Kasi let's be real, may stable income ka na, may responsibilities, at hindi basta-basta, pwedeng mag-risk. Pero what if I tell you, you don't have to choose between your job and starting a business? What if pwede mong simulan dahan-dahan on the side? And, the goal here is to build another source of income slowly and strategically hanggang dumating na yung point na meron ka ng option. So, iisa-isahin po natin sasagutin yan base sa aming mga experience bilang Filipinos working abroad. So, sa experience ko po, kaya po naman makapag-umpisa ng sariling digital business. So about 2 years ago, I'm working two jobs. So 5 times a week, nagwo-work po ako ng from 12 to 16 hours. So halos wala na talagang oras para makasama yung family ko before and after works. So aalis ng maaga, uuwi, gabi na. So hindi rin maganda yung effect yung ganong cycle sa health and syempre sa well-being bilang isang parent. Minsan gigising ka ng maaga, may mga times na konti lang oras nang naitutulog. Kung minsan kasi yung mind natin hindi susuko, pero yung katawan mo naman ang susuko, di ba? So, iba din yung pakiramdam lalo na talaga kung sobrang pagod na pagod ka na. Hindi ka pa nakakauwi, iniisip mo na yung ano yung ire-ready mo bukas, ano yung mga gamit ng mga kids, may mga kailangan ba sa bahay, kahit kailangan namin ng extra savings para sa pag-aaral ng mga anak ko, I still decided to stop working long hours. Pero we cannot depend on a single income. So, so I looked for any opportunity to earn ng hindi naman kakain ng maraming oras. So I prayed na may makita talaga akong legitimate na work from home. Kaya lang saan kaya ako maghahanap, saan ako mag-uumpisa. So may mga companies naman na nag-hire pero wala silang mga part-time or hindi rin flexible lang yung schedule. So bakit ba kailangan natin magtrabaho, work so hard, pero kung meron namang ibang way to achieve time and financial freedom. So sa Facebook, di ba, maraming tayong nakikitang mga ads and most of us really like to scroll. But isa sa nakapag-trigger ng curiosity ko is one of these go lives na ginagawa natin ngayon ng isa sa mga kasama natin. So doon ako nakarelate. Sabi ko, ito na siguro yung sign na binigay sa akin. So doon ako nakapag-start. Doon ako nag-start. So I registered and joined at dito ko nakita na kahit ng trabaho meron ka at gusto mong mag-start ng business, makakaya at magagawa. People from all walks of life, nakapag-start na sila at marami na rin nag-succeed. So when I started, I allot more hours kasi gusto kong makita how they do this business. So ano yung mga pwede kong gawin o ano yung mga dapat kong gawin to start. There are times na talagang yung aming training videos, inuulit-ulit ko yan para mas maintindihan ko. Then hanggang sa unti-unti, nababawasan yung oras na nagagamit ko. So on days naman na may pasok ako, sa ngayon 2 hours. Pag day off ko naman, mas maraming oras yung ginagamit ko. Kasi flexible talaga siya. And pwede mong gawin at your own convenience. So may mga araw na busy talaga with family, mga unexpected activity. So we can pause and continue lang kapag okay na ulit. I slowly build kahit may trabaho ako. So after work, I am with my family, habang ginagawa ko tong side hustle na ito. And I'm sure sa mga manonood po natin na makakaya nyo rin ito. Ayan, salamat and to you, Sis Jan.
Thank you, Sis Verns. Ang laging tanong sa atin, usual na tanong, pinaka-common, employed ako full-time, pwede ba akong mag-business ng ganyan? Pwede, sabi nga ni Sis Verna kanina. Kasi syempre may trabaho ka na, may bills tayo, may pamilya, may commitments tayo. Hindi ka pwedeng basta-basta mag-resign lang dahil may pangarap ka. Diba? And ang good news naman dito is you don't have to quit your job to start a business. Maraming successful na mga Pilipino na kasama natin sa community ang nagsimula habang employed pa sila. Hindi sila nag-resign agad. Ginamit nila ang free time nila na minsan alam mo yung 1 to 2 hours a day lang para mag-build ng income on the side. Kasi ang goal naman is hindi palitan agad ang income mo overnight, di ba? Ang goal natin is mag-build ng another source of income na slowly, strategically, at sustainable siya. So, para darating ka sa point na may option ka, na yung option na bawasan ng work hours mo, option na mag-shift ng career, option na hindi ka pressured sa pera, lalo na ngayong inflation, di ba? So, ang i-clear lang natin dito is, hindi ito tungkol sa pagdodoble ng trabaho hanggang sa ma-burnout ka. Hindi rin ito tungkol sa alam mo yung pagsasakripisyo ng pamilya, ng family time mo. Sa ngayon kasi ang kailangan natin yung right system, yung proper guidance, yung opportunity na flexible at swak sa lifestyle mo abroad. So kaya maraming Pilipino na katulad natin ang pinipili ngayon digital business. Bakit? Kasi ito yung nag-fit sa life natin. Hindi niya sinisira yung routine natin sa buhay. Parang we can do it habang nasa bahay ka. Sabi na Sis Verna kanina, you do it on your own time. Kahit may day job ka, pwede ito kahit hindi ka expert sa technology. Kasi for the first time, may trabaho na nag-a-adjust sa'yo. Hindi ikaw ang nag-a-adjust sa trabaho. So, itong business na to, hindi niya winawasak yung routine mo. Hindi rin niya inaagaw ang oras sa pamilya mo, which is really very important. Hindi niya hinihingi ang buong katawan mo para lang kumita. Pwede mo siyang gawin habang nagluluto ka, habang hinihintay mo yung school pick up, habang nagpapahinga ka after ng work shift mo. Kahit hindi ka techie, kasi yung system, it does the heavy lifting for you. And ito yung kind of work or business na hindi siya sumisigaw ng sacrifice pa more. Hindi ganon, di ba? Hindi siya, pero nagwi-whisper siya sa atin na gusto mo ba ng options? So, at doon nagsisimula ang shift. Yung parang from surviving ngayon na one job lang tayo to choosing, to be able to choose. May options tayo. At kung ikaw yung tao na gusto ng additional income, gusto mo ng growth beyond ng salary mo ngayon, at gusto mo ng option para sa future mo, this is exactly why we created itong Pinoy Pinoypreneurs Without Borders. Kasi kung gusto mong malaman kung paano ka pwedeng magsimula ng digital business kahit full-time employed ka, andito kami. So, may mga chances kayo para makipag-chat sa amin at may mga info session. Libre ito, walang pressure. Para ikaw mismo ang makakapagsabi kung para sa iyo ito o hindi. Maraming salamat po. And thank you, Kapinoypreneurs. Sis Ann.
Okay. Yes, totoo. Nag-feedback ako. Wait lang. Let's see. Yan. Is it okay now? I think so. Yeah. Yan. There you go. Ayan. Oo, sobrang relatable talaga yung topic na to. Kasi ang dami ko ding mga nare-receive na ganitong inquiries na pwede bang magsimula ng business na to kahit employed. And because the truth is, karamihan sa atin, we're not sitting around with extra hours in a day. We're already stretched. We're already tired. We have a lot of plates already. Ang dami nating responsibilities. And maybe someone out there watching us right now, you're in a season of pwedeng sabihin natin na kalilipat lang ng bahay, busy, kapapanganak, nasa maternity leave, or kaka-promote sa work, or maybe juggling multiple jobs. Yung parang lipat sa work na to, mamaya sa kabilang trabaho naman. So we're in a season na iniisip natin, kaya ko pa ba to? Kaya pa ba ng time na to? Maybe this is not for me. But deep inside, there's something whispering sa atin, ano? Yung parang may kailangan pa tayong baguhin, parang may kulang, parang we feel stuck. And maybe, just maybe, tinatanong natin, paano ba makaalis sa cycle na yun? And that was me too. And maybe makaka-resonate din yung mga ibang nanonood na to na until I came to a point na na-realize ko din na I felt stuck. Parang walang options. So, marami pa rin akong gustong gawin sa buhay ko noon nung nag-start ako, yung matulungan yung pamilya ko sa Pilipinas, magkaroon ng maraming oras sa pamilya. at hindi maghintay ng hanggang sa retirement para lang ma-enjoy yung buhay natin. Because let's be honest, hindi naman sapat yung 9 to 5 income natin para dun sa mga gusto pa nating gawin sa buhay natin. So instead of looking, for me, for my experience, instead of looking for another job, sinimulan ko yung digital business na to. So hindi siya yung nag-take away ng time sa pamilya. I chose a different path, or we chose a different path. Kaya nandito kami ngayon sa digital business. So, and I think the game changer, yung talagang nakakapag-separate ng business na to others is because it's powered by automation. So, yung system na ginagamit namin is not against us. And honestly, yun talaga yung game changer. Hindi kailangan na 24/7 na naka-online. Hindi kailangan i-sacrifice yung family time. Instead, it supports our lifestyle, no? Pwede natin siyang gawin around our schedule. Ako, before my work or after my work or in between, yung mga lunch break, yung mga ganyan. Or kahit, and sobrang flexible niya kasi we can do it at the comfort of our home or kahit saan man. And let me please share this. If I didn't start this 4 years ago, most likely, full-time pa rin ako ng work ko, which means less time. So now I'm working part-time sa hospital and also helping my husband to run our livelihood ng farm, which means less time yung family time, less time yung pagtulong ko din sa farm. And every time na gusto naming umalis, for example, midweek pwede kaming magbakasyon or mini getaway ni hubby na dati hindi ko kayang gawin kasi nga full-time. Diba kailangan natin magpa-approve muna ng mga leave or minsan nakabase yun sa schedule ng employer natin. So in reality, wala tayo talagang control. Walang flexibility. But now, ngayong part-time na lang ako nag-work, something na dati hindi ko kayang gawin when I was working full-time. And yes, that extra helps. It brings relief. It opens doors. But more than that, it gave me flexibility. Kami, nakuha namin yung flexibility na yon. So, hindi na laging nagmamadali, hindi na laging pagod, hindi na yung feeling na lagi natin hinahabol yung life. Because I didn't want to stay stuck. And I wanted to control over my time, our time here. We wanted more choices. We wanted a future na hindi nakatied sa schedule forever. And this journey, this digital business, it's giving that choices and chances. Hindi ito, tawag na to, hindi ito overnight success, hindi get rich quick scheme. But step by step, it's building something real. Parang nagtatanim tayo. Kung hindi tayo nagtanim ngayon, wala rin tayong aanihin in the future kung ano man yung mga choices and chances na gusto natin. But if we start now, kahit na full-time employed tayo, in time, may aanihin tayo, maaaring ito na yung maging plan A natin. So, if you think that you're too busy, you don't have time, hindi mo alam kung kakayanin pa ng time mo to, we want you to know that this is possible for you too. Na kaya namin na pagsabayin habang managing the home, habang nagtatrabaho, possible din ito sa'yo. You don't need to quit your job. You don't need to sacrifice your family time. You don't need to turn your life upside down para lang magsimula na to. So you just need the right system. Yun, so packets of available time. So if you're curious, message nyo lang kami. Andito yung aming mga, or register to our websites, and para mapadala namin kayo ng libreng access sa libreng workshop. And don't worry kasi we will guide you. You will have a mentor. Isa ako doon. Isa kami sa magiging mentor nyo. And you just need to watch. Importante na mapanood yung webinars so you can see if this business will fit you and your family's lifestyle. So I think that's all for me. Thank you, Sis Shari. Take it away po.
Okay. Thank you, Sis Annalyn. Hello again to our viewers. Hello to Eileen Clare from New Zealand and to Baxter T. Thank you very much for watching our live today. Ayan, so ang pinag-uusapan natin ngayon talaga isang tanong na sigurado kaming lahat na maraming makaka-relate, especially OFWs and people who are outside of the country na talagang gusto na ding umuwi minsan, no? And then, ang question is, pwede ba talagang mag-business kahit full-time employed ka? Especially for us Filipinos abroad, hindi biro ang responsibilities. Sabi nga ni Sis Ja, may trabaho ka na, may bills, may pamilya kang sinusuportahan. Kaya natural lang na mag-isip ka at magtanong, right? Kailangan ko bang mag-resign? Kailangan ko bang i-risk yung stability ko? Which is some of the Filipinos or some of our kababayans, gusto nila yung mga job nila. Pero nag-iisip din sila someday in the future like me na ano naman kayang gagawin ko sa retirement ko, right? Yung iba kasi, nai-enjoy talaga yung job nila. But the good news is hindi po. You don't have to quit your job just to start something new. In fact, maraming Filipinos na nagsisimula habang employed pa sila, gaya ng iba sa amin dito. So, paunti-unti lang, during free time, kahit 1 to 2 hours a day, depende sa schedule mo. Kasi ang goal, sabi nga again ni Sis Ja, is not to replace everything overnight, but to build something slowly and strategically hanggang magkaroon ka na ng options in the future. And this is why this kind of digital business works for many of us. Kasi flexible siya. You can do it, sabi ni Sis Annalyn, you can do it at your own pace. May mobile-friendly training na pwede mong aralin kahit nasa bahay ka or nasa break time ka or kahit nasaan ka. Kagaya nga siya ngayon. While she's doing the business, while she's doing her business as well, nagagawa niya pa rin yung ibang schedule na gusto niyang gawin. At hindi ka rin nag-iisa. May mentor na gagabay sa'yo. Kami yung mga mentor, right? Sabi ni Sis Ana, na tutulong sa'yo kung gusto mong mag-start ng business na ito. May coach din na pwede mong lapitan anytime at may community na sumusuporta sa isa't isa. Now, one more thing na importante is we are also partnered with a stable company that has been around over 50 years and continues to grow globally. So, ibig sabihin, hindi ka nagsisimula sa zero talaga or hindi sigurado ang system. The product and logistics and shipments are handled by the company itself with the branches around the world. So, instead na mag-worry ka about sa inventory or delivery, you can focus on learning, growing, and building your business step by step. Kaya hindi mo kailangan mag-double job na sobrang pagod. Hindi mo kailangan i-sacrifice ang family time mo, yung mga time na gusto mong gawin, like you like to go here and there, to see good places, to travel kung saan mo gusto. You just need the right system, right support, and a flexible way that fits your current lifestyle. So, if you are watching live or replay, and you've been asking yourself, pwede kaya ito sa sitwasyon ko ngayon? Kagaya nga ng sabi ni, I don't know if si Sis Berna na kung kapapasok mo lang sa bagong job na promote ka, the answer is yes. Pwede mong gawin itong business na to kahit na nasa bago kang trabaho na gustong-gusto mo. Yes, you can visit, and if you want to learn more, you can visit our websites na nakalagay po sila dyan and watch our free info sessions to understand how this digital business works and see if it fits you. Kasi minsan hindi mo kailangan iwan agad ang trabaho mo. You can start building something better like your own business. One step at a time. Ayan, thank you po for watching. Ayun. So,
Okay.
sino na ba? Kay
Thank
Sis
you,
Jel na
ate.
tayo.
Yes, thank you po. Sana naririnig niyo ako. Medyo lumakas yung ulan dito. Okay, so definitely pwedeng-pwede ang gagawin ang business na to kahit full-time employed ka. I think lahat tayo dito, we started while we are full-time employed, no? I started the business 2020. It was the pandemic. So nung time na yon, I am in the corporate world, full-time working sa corporate 9 to 5. But that time, since it was pandemic, nagkaroon ng chance na pwede kami mag-work from home. Akala ko flexible yon, hindi pala, mas demanding if you are working from home kasi mas ang tawag dito, parang mas chine-check yung time mo, and then ikaw din parang sa sarili mo, you really have to prove yourself more and you need to get more result kasi nga nasa bahay ka, di ba? At the same time, I was also looking after our daughter kasi nasa bahay ako, and then I was also managing our traditional business. So ang daming nangyayari, hindi ko alam but I started this business pa. Ang daming nangyayari sa buhay ko noon. But the reason why we started the business was I really wanted to start something na I could earn while I'm looking after our daughter should we decide to move with my husband here in Papua New Guinea. So, kaya pinush ko talaga siya kahit wala akong oras. I swear, wala. Hindi ko alam saan ko ipapasok tong oras, tong business na to. But since I've seen na a lot of people, especially yung mga kagaya kong working moms, have succeed in this business. Nakita ko, wow, nakapag stay-at-home mom na sila. They're earning more than their corporate job salary. Nakabili ng bahay, nakapag-travel the world, nakauwi sa kanya-kanyang country. Sabi ko, kaya ko din to. Because all of us are using the same system, the same training, the same platform. So nasa sa atin na lang talaga if we decide to succeed in the business and do everything para makuha din natin yung result na gusto natin. So sabi ko, sige, because my desire for what I wanted na magkaroon ako ng income while I'm looking after our daughter. So yun yung pinaka-why ko talaga during that time is that big. Sabi ko, sige, kailangan ko siyang gawa ng oras. So what I did is ginagawa ko yung business during the time I was doing the training. Gumigising ako ng madaling araw. I think that was 4 or 5 a.m. Para pag gumising na yung around 6:30 or 7, okay na, free na ako, pwede ko na siyang alagaan, and then I can also do my full-time job na naka-work from home ako. So, nag-start lang ng ganun. At first, medyo nangangapa ka because the online business was new to me. Wala ako talagang alam. Lahat nakadepende ako sa training. Pero eventually, parang a couple of weeks or months, nagamay ko na siya. So, okay. So, ganito pala siya. So, parang mas naging mabilis yung flow ko sa business. And then,
Frozen yata si
Oh,
Sis.
did we lost?
Yeah.
Sis Ron.
Okay. Let's wait for a little
forward,
bit.
after 3 years, I was able to do the
Oh, signal niya siguro.
Yeah, I'll message her too.
Okay, let's wait for a little bit. If not, I can. Okay. So while wait, let's see. Okay, habang naghihintay tayo kay Sis Jel, ako naman ang mag-share muna about my experience kung about this topic. Yun nga ang topic natin today, 'di ba? Pwede ba talaga magsimula ng business kahit full-time ka? And yes, the easy answer is yes. Starting an online business doesn't mean you have to quit your job right away. Hindi siya all for nothing. It means, yun lang yung ibig sabihin na you're giving yourself options. Kasi nang nagsimula ako sa business na 'to, I was also working full-time at kakabili ko lang ng bahay dito sa US, and I was thinking like, how can I do it? Just starting a new milestone in my life kasi kakabili ng bahay tapos full-time sa job, and then also I was a new mom. So, but then ang nalaman ko sa business na 'to is flexible ang business na 'to. It works around my family schedule. Nakakapag-adjust siya sa buhay ko bilang nanay. Pero maging totoo tayo, right? Kailangan mo pa rin magtrabaho para dito. Kailangan mo ng commitment, kailangan mo ng consistency. Kasi hindi siya magic, pero posible siya kung willing kang gawin yung part mo. Right? Pwede kang magsimula kung nasaan ka ngayon, kahit busy ka, kahit pagod ka, kahit full-time employed ka. Gawin mo yung nagsimula ko sa business na 'to, naisip ko na gagawin ko ang business na 'to na stepping stone, yung full-time job ko to fund my business, at hindi para ma-stuck na do'n, right, sa full-time job ko na lang, kundi in the future, ito na ang business na makakapag-fund sa lifestyle namin, na makapag-fund sa lifestyle namin as a family. Oh, Coach Jel, do you wanna finish or?
Okay, can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you now.
Wala.
Yes, we can.
Yeah, we can.
Yeah.
Probably sa
Okay, you
connection.
can hear me now.
Yes.
Yes.
Oh. Parang nakaka-card ba? Or...
Okay, now I'll continue for now. Okay. Yeah, so yun nga sinasabi ko na nung nagsimula ka sa business na 'to, full-time employee ako, kakabili ko lang ng bahay, at bago pa yon, dumaan ako sa point na kailangan ko ding magtrabaho 2 to 3 jobs just to sustain our income. And I was a new mom, daughter of our aging parent, walang tulog, walang pahinga, at halos wala ng time para sa sarili ko or sa pamilya even. Every day parang gano'n na lang, work, uwi, alaga, tapos pagod ka na naman hanggang sa, I'm thinking to myself, "Oh, ganito na lang ba tayo palagi?" Gusto ko sana yung sinasabi nila na work from home, pero honestly, hindi ko alam kung saan magsisimula. Ang daming options, pero ang dami ding doubts. And then one day, nakita ko yung mutual friend ko sa Facebook. She was on maternity leave, pero may digital business siya. At habang ako pagod na pagod, she was building something from home. At doon ako napaisip, kaya pala no, may ibang way. So I reached out kasi gano'n naman tayo, 'di ba? As Filipinos, hardworking tayo. Pero minsan kulang lang tayo sa tamang opportunity. At ito yung totoo. Hindi nga ako nagsimula dahil sa marami akong time. In fact, kulang ako sa oras. But yes, I started kung nasaan ako, pagod, busy, may responsibilidad, pero nagsimula pa rin. Because yes, the beauty about this business, it can work around your schedule. Pero we also have to think na when starting something new, hindi naman kailangan na magiging expert tayo ulit or yung business na yun is gonna be working for you right away. You have to put in the work, you have to learn the system, and you also have to know all the in and out of the business. So in the future, ito na nga yung makakapag-fund ng business, ng lifestyle mo as a family. Kasi hindi siya magic, pero posible siya kung willing kang gawin nga yung part mo. And pwede kang magsimula right now. You don't have to wait for that perfect time o kung ano yung pwede kang kung kakapanganak mo lang, pwede kang magsimula yon at gawin mo na yung stepping stone, yung full-time job mo para naman ma-fund yung business mo. And I came to realize, nakakatawa no, growing up, Tinuruan tayo ng mag-aral ng mabuti para makahanap ng magandang trabaho. Pero ngayon, ang pinakagusto natin, makauwi agad, makapag-spend ng time sa pamilya, para maging present sa mga anak natin. Hindi maling mangarap ng ganon at hindi rin imposible na ma-achieve mo yon. Kahit nagsisimula ka pa lang, kahit may full-time job ka ngayon. So if ikaw to, so sino man ang nakikinig ngayon, yung pagod pero may pangarap pa rin, yung gusto ng change pero hindi alam kung paano magsimula, this might be your sign. You don't have to have everything figured out. You just have to be willing to start wherever you are. Kahit may full-time job ka ngayon. If you're curious kung paano namin ginawa kahit full-time employed kami, just message to any of us wherever you're seeing this video and we can guide you on how to start this business. Thank you. Coach Jel, I don't know if your connection is...
Sorry, yun na ako. Okay. Sige, sorry naman sa aming internet. So, hindi ko na alam nasa na yung sharing ko. Okay, so fast forward after 3 years of doing the business, yes, definitely, na I was able to leave my corporate job and I was able to become a full-time mom to my kids. I was able to stay home with the kids 24/7. I was earning more than my corporate job salary. And for a mom, no, sobrang fulfilling siya because ang gusto lang naman nating mga nanay is, number one, may time tayo sa kids. Diba? Tayo magpapalaki sa kanila. Number two, makakatulong tayo na mag-provide din sa family. And meron tayong sarili nating kita. Diba? Yun lang naman yung gusto natin. And because of this business, nakuha ko siya. No, hindi ko alam if I would be going back to corporate. Pero right now, talagang na-enjoy ko itong season na to of my life. Lalo kasi very young pa yung mga kids namin. So talaga ito yung growing years nila na kailangan present talaga yung parents, diba? And I'm so grateful na I was there for them growing up and I am also able to provide for them, no? So yes, sa ating mga fellow Filipinos, wherever you are located, pwede talagang gawin tong business na to kahit meron kang full-time job. Imaginein mo, and again, optional yon sa inyo if you wanted to, diba, to leave your corporate job. Ako kasi I really wanted to be hands-on to my kids kaya talagang ginol ko yan. Pero others are, earning really well in the business, pero they're still, doing their corporate job and that's good, right? Kung saan ka masaya. Imaginein mo, no, na you are doing the business on the side na hindi na disrupt yung normal mommy routine and corporate career mo. Pero you know that you're building something for yourself and for your family na can help you and can support you in the future sa retirement mo and also to support your kids in the future. Kasi yan yung number one na takot ng mga nagre-retire na enough ba yung retirement funds ko, di ba? To support myself, our family, and syempre yung mga growing kids nila. And at the same time, ayaw natin na aasa tayo sa mga anak natin in the future, pagka retired na tayo. We wanted to make sure na tayo din sa sarili natin, kaya nating supportan yung sarili natin and kaya pa rin nating mag-provide sa family natin, especially for mga Pinoy. Diba? We always provide for everybody. So itong business na to, I think is really the answer for us Filipinos, no? To support that culture na meron tayo na providing for ourselves, for our family, and to our extended families as well. So yes, pwedeng gawin ang business na to. Full-time or part-time, let's go. Thank you po, Sis Grace.
Ayan, thank you ladies. Okay, kung full-time employed ka tapos may extra trabaho ka pa, alam mo yung pagod na hindi lang sa katawan kundi pati sa isip, di ba? Because that's me. For now, I am working 2 jobs. Full-time dental assistant sa umaga at part-time cleaner naman sa gabi. And still, I felt like kulang pa rin. Kulang sa time, kulang sa energy, kulang sa freedom. So naisip ko din before, pwede ba akong mag-business kahit ganito nakabusy ang buhay ko? And the answer is absolutely yes. Yes na yes po siya. Pero magiging matuto tayo. Hindi siya madali. pero magpatotoo tayo, okay? So hindi siya madali, pero posible siyang matutunan. Kasi hindi mo kailangang mag-quit ng trabaho agad-agad pag once na nakapasok ka na sa digital business na to. Hindi mo kailangang i-risk lahat agad. So you can start at small kahit pagod ka na. Kasi ganito yan, you don't need to build this to escape immediately. You build this habang may stability ka pa. Sabi nga ng other ladies dito, 1 to 2 hours a day after work, before ka matulog, or kahit sa weekend, or kahit sa break time mo, or kahit naglalakad ka, ma-check mo yung business mo kasi may cellphone ka. At saka pag nag-holidays ka, madadala mo rin ito kasi may laptop ka. Kasi, and that's how it works. You follow the system, you follow the step by step, slowly you grow, but surely. Hindi mo kailangang maging expert agad once na maka-join ka dito. Kasi wala naman sa amin dito naging expert agad nung nagsimula kami eh. Lahat naman kami dumaan sa training, lahat kami dumaan sa step by step. Ang kailangan mo lang dito is yung willingness mo na matuto at saka subukan mo kung paano ito gumagana. So, if you're someone na curious, someone na pagod na pero hopeful ka pa din, maybe this is your sign. Start exploring. You can actually start by watching our free 20 minutes overview, the same overview that we watched before we started this digital business. And if you decide to move forward, we have a one-time membership fee, $149. This is fully refundable for 30 days. So kung magbago ang isip mo, kung ayaw mo, ask ka ng refund agad-agad, wala silang sasabihin sa'yo, babalik sa'yo agad yung pera mo. Kasi honestly, isipin mo, we spend more than 149 sa shopping, sa pagkain, sa bills natin, sa panandalian na bagay. But this one, you're investing in learning, growth, and possible new path in your future and your family. So again, you don't need to quit your job immediately. And of course, you can still do this business even if you are working 2-3 times 3 jobs. And then if you're ready to know more, you can message one of us so we can help you and guide you step by step. Because your current situation now doesn't have to be yours forever. Thank you everyone for watching, and we will see you in the next episode. Have a great weekend. Thank you.